Your next car could be the 2018 Honda HR-V. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This HR-V helps you meet the demands of your busy life in comfort and style, from its ingenious seating options to its advanced safety and connectivity technology. This small SUV is the definition of convenience and efficiency. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Kick your worries to the curb. This Honda HR-V is all about making your life easy and comfortable. Take it out for a drive today.